exactly what we are doing today. We've booked a boat, not a boat tour, a boat rental. We'll be sailing on our own and we'll give you more details in the vlog ahead. And I think that's the boat we're getting. Oops. Yeah. Why is this shaking so much? Punchy side बोलेगा.
First time would work here.
So
neutral is in the center. If you want to go forward, move forward. If you want to go backwards, reverse. If you're going forward and you want to stop the boat, choose reverse as well.
we are starting now. Guys, how are y'all feeling? That's the what, captain? Skipper, captain, whatever. She's the paddle girl. And I am the best person in the universe. Ew. Oh, my seat is slipping. Oh. Look at this uncultured girl.
Shut up.
Okay, so we are going now. Tan-ta-na. We're going this way. I think we have to go a little this. Okay, you're right. Guys, we are now passing by the very famous bar called as Water Cant, which is the waterfront bar. Dun-dun-dun. In today's vlog, we'll take you around Amsterdam, this time not by tram or train or cars, but by boat. My gosh, scary person. Sorry, this turned into a horror vlog. Shut up! की कश्ती में what is this? Ouch! Guys, they also give you a paddle just in case you feel like you're going to dash into some wall. You can use it to turn, but I don't know what are we doing. We are taking a 360-degree turn. We were supposed to take a right turn, but we'll see. This girl is useless.
Excuse me, I saved the boat.
चले हम जोर जोर से. अरे देखो boy. Big traffic jam coming in. Let's go. And there's a big traffic jam there as well.
My phone is...
Your phone is inside the water. Help me, I am underwater. This is University of Amsterdam. You pass by a lot of various monumental buildings, just general buildings, and a lot of boat houses. I don't know most of them, but this is University of Amsterdam. I think this is a zoo. So when you're taking this boat ride, you'll also cross. Oh, look at this guy, statue. You'll also cross a zoo, and I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera, but the tiger or lion or whatever it is right here. Awesome. This is a marine museum. Obviously, you can't park your boat anywhere, just see it from here. And that, what you see there, that boat-shaped kind of a thing, that's the ship-shaped kind of a thing. It's the Nemo Museum. The rooftop there is open. You can go chill, have a coffee, have a drink. It's a nice viewpoint. And then there's this, I think it's a restaurant. Yeah, this is a restaurant. This cruise that you see. Sorry guys, wrong information. This is not a restaurant. I think it's a hotel or something. I don't know, but it's not a restaurant. That is where people go for public swimming. You might see someone just jump. So that's open for public. You can come, you can swim for free. And I don't remember what the name is. Maybe I'll write it somewhere below. That is the central station. You see the trains moving. That's the main station of Amsterdam. Not that. It's somewhere there. But yeah. That's the central station. You see those old buildings? Those. That is central station. That is the restaurant we were talking about. Sumo restaurant, which is on the water. Guys, when a bigger boat comes close to you, the rule or the traffic rule is that you let the bigger boat move front and then you wait. That's so cool. No, there's a big wave coming now. Look at my mommy feeling scared. Are you scared? आग लगे हो बस्ती में हम तो हमारे स्टोरी के मस्ती में When you're in Amsterdam, you don't have to wear watch because you can see time everywhere. How is that? And we are back to where we started from, the starting point. You return the map and it's all good. So we got done with our boat ride. How much would you rate it?
Out of?
I don't know.
It was pretty good though.
It was for 3 hours, but we finished our ride in 2.5 hours because we did not want to spend more time on the boat.
Also because my father wanted to pee.
And this girl also. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, you know the drill. Like, share, subscribe to my channel right now.